Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a banana eating effect on Higgsfield AI. So in case you're wondering what Higgsfield AI is, Higgsfield AI is an AI platform that allows you to create the dopest and the craziest VFX effects and video effects you can think about for your videos. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this banana eating effect. So if you want to create a banana eating effect, the first thing you have to do is go to higgsfield.ai. So once you're on the website, you just log in or create an account, then scroll down to Higgsfield apps, where you'd see various um e- video effects you can use for your video, especially promotional videos. Now you can go on to click on the banana eating effect. You will be brought to a page like this where you'd see a sample, and all you have to do is to upload your image or drag and drop your image in this section. Then if you have a video, you can also click on this area to